was at TikTok Live Fest, when music, live battles, gifts, and global supporters collided in real time. Different countries, different languages, one shared moment of energy and belief. When people see me reach number one in the fandom league, they often think it was about numbers. But the truth is, it was about loyalty. In the early days, my room was small, but I treated every viewer like they mattered because they did. I gave my community a name. I gave them identity. I reminded them this is not my win, this is our win. We didn't build a fan base, we built a family. Being number one isn't about being the best singer. It's about having the strongest people who believe in you. For fellow creators, here's what I learned. Treat every gift as a personal connection, not a transaction. Give your community a mission, something bigger than you. When people feel seen, they will stand with you all the way to the top. Last year, something surreal happened. I stood not just as creator, but as a representative of TikTok Live at the Apex Summit. From a phone screen to a global policy table, it was a reminder that creators belong in these conversations because the creator economy is real. It's proof that a single mother with passion and consistency can contribute to a nation's digital growth and inspire others to believe they can too. So my challenge to you, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, is audacity. If you start the day with your phone, your voice, your story, where could you be by 2027? I am Risey, and we are just getting started. Everybody, Las Vegas, please welcome our first speaker from the Philippines, first in Asia. Imagine guys, tatlo lang kaming magsasalita at magpapanel. Isang United States, isang United Kingdom. Napili man nila ako guys. Hindi ko alam ba't ako. But they like my performance sa Phuket, Thailand. So, magsispeech ang babae na to. Don't you get some stuff for me, please? Just manonood lahat ng mga idol nyong streamers nandun. 400, 500 creators sa buong world. Yung mga idol natin, si Krakanita, si Halil, mapapanood nila akong magsalita ba? Kay mismo. Creator conference man siya ba? May sarili akong stage. Hindi ko alam na ganun palang impact ko sa TikTok Live. I did not believe it. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Minsan hindi talaga ako makapaniwala, guys. Pinadala ako sa Korea. Pinagkatiwalaan nila ako sa panel ng Phuket. And then ngayon naman, Las Vegas. Hindi ako makapaniwala na ganun pala yung impact ko as a live creator. And hindi ko magagawa yun because kung wala kayo, guys. Kaya sobrang thank you sa lahat ng mga naging part talaga ng aking journey. Di ba? Pinipili man tayo sa ibang bansa. Okay ba yun? Maganda ba yun? Maganda ba yung speech na yun? Send ko na ba? Pag-iisip ako pa yung slides eh. Okay, parang gusto ko normal lang. Basta dapat kasi parang dami na. Thank you so much. Loves nyo pa. Powerful ba yung speech natin? May ganun ba siya? Yes. Ang title. Ganda. The power of connection. Alayo ko sabihin. Ikaw po gumawa. Nagbigay sila ng outline and then ako yung tumapos. So, papasok ko to bukas ba? Kasi kailangan may mga certain times lang ako. Suspend yung iba. Bakit man? Thank you guys. I love you. Totoo ba to? Pero edit ko pa to. This is not final. Hi, Anonymous. Yes. Baka maano tayo ma-jinx kaya 11. I love you guys. Nagawa pa ako ng PowerPoint. Gawa pa ako ng PowerPoint. Tulog na kayo, ah. Natulog na. Oras na. Tulog na. Boss J, thank you, ha. Thank you sa inyo lagi ni Ma'am Divina. To all my angels. Thank you so much. Yana, Faith, Ashpap. Ay, dito pala si Bossy. Bossy. Dito pala si Bossy. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Submit natin ito. Kasi iniisip ko, mag-slideshow pa. Gusto, ang favorite part ko lang dun, I am Ricey, and we are just getting started. Ang lakas makakabog nun, di ba? Yun yung end, yun yung closing part ko. I am Ricey. We are just getting started. Kaya guys, galingan natin this year, ha? Mangako kayo sa akin. Kagalingan natin this year. Kailangan, umpisa lang yung 2023-22. Dapat bongga tayo this year. Thank you, Sir Rob. Sir Robs, thank you. I will never forget you. And that one day that you fought for me during the Live Legends, I think it was season 1 or 2. Did you remember, Sir Rob, that one day that you surprised me? Thank you, Sir Rob. Yan, lahat ng mga tao dito sa TikTok, di ko kayo makalimutan. But before anything else, please take care for yourself. Everyone, please go to sleep. I'm gonna finish everything with the landsliding. Queen of Fire. Yel, andito na yung cellphone. Yel. Ay, ano ba ginagawa ko? Nasa bahay. Keratin. Uy, huwag niyo matawanin. Nakakaloka kayo. Para kang Latina. We are just getting started. Keratin, sino yun si Sigma? Sigma, ano ba yun? Keratin. Set up mo na yan. Baka mabat. Paano ba? Hindi ko nga alam paano ko siya isi-set up. Itong gamit ko pa ngayon streaming. Pero hindi. Natatakot ako Natatakot ako. Oo. Salamat sa friend ko for the kaskas talaga, di ba? Need mo yung other phone. Ito. Bibigay ko na nga lang ito kasi birthday ng kapatid ko, di ba? Takot ako Takot ako. Ayaw po. No. Pwede ba next year na lang? Tsaka ko na gagamitin. Pag on mo, meron yan i-scan. Kasi yung mga photos dito, inisip ko baka may mawala akong file. Tapos, yung mga password ko. Diba? Kunwari, mga banking. Hindi ko na matandaan yun. Paano pag di ko malagin, diba? Paano yun? Parang hassle. Parang na-overwhelm ako, na-overstimulate ako, nak. Na-overstimulate ako. Kasi itong cellphone ko na ito, tagal na nito. Oo. Yan, hi. Tapos na ba elimination? Or bukas pa? Ay, round 2 na. Round 2 na. Arriba. Round 2 na. Para kang Barbie daw. Tulog na tayo, oy. Kasi kaso pa ako dito. Love you, guys. O, tulog na.
Ngayon ko lang muling naranasan ang ganitong kaligayahan. Gusto kita makasama sa isang pagmamahalan na ikaw ang natatanging namahalan. Kung paghuhugutan ng lakas sa taing kahina, para sa akin yan ka, ganyan ka kahalaga. Di ka pwedeng itulad sa iba dahil iba ka. Oo, kakaiba ka dahil sa'yo ko nadama. Muli mong pinaalala sa akin magpahalaga. Ako ay naliwanagan na ikaw kailangan dahil lahat ng gusto ko ay nasa iyo.
Thank you, guys. Sinamahan nyo na naman ako today. Finalize ko na muna itachi watch ka. Happy 5 million ta. Ayun na, natulog na kayo. Love you. Good night. Thank you po. Love you.
Sana ay sa akin na lang nakatingin ng mata.